Okay, guys. Okay, good morning, all of you. So, welcome back to DevOps sessions. So, can anyone please confirm am I audible, guys, from online team? Let me change chart everyone first. Yeah, I have. Okay, perfect. So, okay, guys, one question to everyone. So, did you complete everyone so far? We have discussed day 4, right? Did you complete or not? Hmm? If you're not in track, it's very difficult to move for further sessions. In that case, I need to give a break tomorrow. Hmm? Ready guntarra. Break means not that break, just 10 minutes break. We need class tomorrow. See, Ramesh is our school. Ramesh, which school you are? Break, please. Completed till the third class. Break, huh? Not everything completed means it will not work out, boss. You have to complete it. I have given everything to you, right? Any gaps? There is complete repo. If you run it, it will complete in just 5 to 10 minutes all tasks. Okay, don't stick on my repos. You have to create your repos. Okay. I mean, if I'm giving T2 micromins, at least change it type at least. Yesterday, someone shared, okay. He's trying to create same my bucket name also. How it is possible, Nayar? I clearly told you, right? Bucket name is unique in the manual process. How it is possible? He's trying to create my bucket name. Huh? Okay, guys. I'm going to give a break for tomorrow. Yeah, break means holiday. Is it okay? But 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 don't expect for next coming weekends. Okay. What? Is it clear, everyone? Okay, guys. One more news to everyone, guys. We are planning to conduct digital online support classes. Support. I means we are working on that. Shortly, we'll get the mails. You can directly interact with the mentors in the online. There is no any separate link. There is a website. You can choose the mentor, register your time, connect with them one to one, not one to many. One to one, share your screen. They will help you. That is, we are planning in the first time in Hyderabad. No one is giving like this support, digital support. Okay, close to we are taking one big area. If you can come offline, also you can come. Okay, close to 2,000 square feet. We are taking one office. So I'm the taking care of everything in that. Okay, under me, 10 hour mentors will work. If you are interested to work as a mentor, also come with us, no problem. I will refer your name. I mean, at this time it is not possible. Still, you are taking training, right? After complete the training, if you are interested, meanwhile you are parallel search your job and do here practice. Of course, we will pay something also. Okay, so utilize that opportunity. So they have shared yesterday a few profiles, closely 20 profiles for mentors. But I told them we'll refer only our students, not for outsiders. So I have given whatever previous batch students. I have shared 7 members for mentors. Parallelly, you can do practice, support others, search your job. And also here we are going to provide few companies. I mean, you have to prove again in the interview. Okay, that is also we are providing. So morning I got news from my Naresh. So regarding this, okay, whatever Ramesh can be good mentor, whatever. So you can choose. You can choose the mentor. Okay, guys, you just understand. Support them. Don't question them. really, if you stuck somewhere, take their opinion, clear your doubt. Don't test their knowledge. That is correct, not correct, guys. And I have seen many people. Will it test mentor is good knowledge or not? That is not at all correct. They are doing help to you for your support only. If you test means you are make them down. Okay, don't down anyone. Try to encourage, otherwise leave it, clear your doubt. I have seen couple of already questions to mentors. Even you also become a mentor if you're interested. If someone will question to you, that is also not good for you, right? Yeah. Is it clear, guys? So use this opportunity. I like this opportunity. Why? If someone may start, if I'm not available, others are not available, directly you can go website and register your details, click mentor and register your time, half an hour or 1 hour based on your doubt. Immediately one person will connect like something you can connect with them directly. One-to-one share your screen and complete your doubt. Okay. So those will recorded. Those will be recorded sessions. Okay. If they are not saying answer in correct way, you just go to next level. Okay. You come to me. Still I'm facing the issue. You just come to me. Or other trainer, DevOps trainers. We have 4 to 5, I think so, right? So someone will connect with you. First, we can connect with mentor. What's happened? Why you are not unable to resolve the issue? Immediately they pass to us. We can connect to you. Okay. Test knowledge to your manager, not to mentor. Yes, this is 100% correct, guys. Anyway, your manager, no need to say, right? They don't know anything. They are saying you can do it, but they don't know the pain, right? And also, I have added 2 students in your group. One is Vardhan, one is Naveen. Present, they are taking training from me. Okay. So next batch, I'm also going to add you into that group if you are interested. This is a very best practice, guys. If you are clear others questions means it's a kind of mock interviews, right? You can feel like that. It's a kind of someone asking your question means kind of mock interview only, kind of interview only. Resolve the issue means definitely have to work on that more, right? So that's what, if you're interested, I'm going to add you into that group also. Till now we have completed Linux, right? Git, right? Terraform also at that time we will complete. So if they ask those questions, you can help them. That's it. Okay. Like that, if you are provide means like that platform, definitely it will help to you. Otherwise, you just forget entire Terraform after 30 days. You are focusing on Docker or Kubernetes. Parallelly, the next team will come to the Terraform. If they ask questions, me definitely you can go to Terraform and revise the things and help them, right? That is help to you. That's what I plan like that. If you're interested, you can give your names. I will. But definitely, guys, whoever help them, definitely there is a consideration for them. Whatever other cases, whatever cases. I mean, I will take a special interest for not for special interest means I'm not taking any special classes for them. Maybe in coming classes, in coming sessions, any mentors required. Okay. Any furthers, trainers required. Why can't you promote as a trainer? If you're mentor first, if you can do mentor job at least 1 year, why can't you become a trainer? At that time, we will take care of that, right? Instead of giving chance to others, we will give to you. There is that type of consideration I'm saying. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so let's start now. And this offer is not only offline, online also. Sir, I'm from, I would like act as a mentor, sir. Okay. Quick response, huh? Okay. See, guys, online also, if you're going to start a job as a mentor, you can give support from online also. No need to come institute. There is a different roles. Online roles. These online roles will help to for whatever we discuss digital support, right? For that, we are taking from them for them. Clear? No, sir, I'm interested to come institute. You can come morning to evening also, no problem. Offline mentors will support offline batch dedicatedly. Online mentors will support to dedicatedly online batch. Is this clear? So there is no way. See, you don't feel like my query is pending 24 hours. There is no chance. If you are open any ticket, my query is pending, someone definitely will communicate you. We are doing like that way backend. They will call or you can approach, will clear your doubt within 24 hours. Okay. Worst case 24 hours, but you can clear your doubts in 1 hour. That is my practice. Anyway. So guys, we are going to enter Terraform day 5, right? Day 5. So first, I'm going to discuss very important concept is Terraform import function. Okay. What? Okay. Terraform import. Guys, in interviews, definitely will get a question. If you already build an infrastructure, manual process, not in Terraform. One application already running in your infrastructure. So, guys, I'm going to update nodes. If you can go here, you can verify, you can, which one? Sorry, here. So Terraform 9 AM, right? If you can go here, therefore, not here, here. I have updated what is stateful, why it is important in Terraform. You just go through it here. Same like that, I'm going to discuss now import function, right? I'm going to add import function also nodes. So day to day, I'm going to update the nodes. You just go through it and also parallelly focus on your regular nodes. Okay, two nodes. Okay. So, yeah. So guys, you have created EC2. You have created EC2. Okay. So this EC2 is running inside some application is there. Inside some application is running. Okay. Application is running. So this application running on EC2 instance, that instance you have created by using manual process. Okay. Now I want to take this EC2 control to your Terraform. Clear? I want to take this EC2 control to Terraform. So guys, may you raise a one question, sir? Why we need to take import? Can't we create one more instance? Yes, we can create, but application will not get back, right? We have to create again application. So if you are taking this process, definitely application will down, right? If you are creating something, no existing instance, we can give control to existing infrastructure. We can give control to Terraform by using Terraform import. Existing infra means in bracket manually created. Clear? Okay. So I'm saying existing infra manually created, we can give control to Terraform by using Terraform import. The reason is, guys, if I want to update something, instead of doing manual process, I can update in my Terraform script. That's what my intention. So why we need to import? Why we need to import? Any answers? Why we need to import to Terraform? Hmm? Why we need to import Terraform, guys? Hmm? Okay. So why we need to create import? Okay. Yeah. Why? What is the advantage? If you are migrating your infrastructure manual infrastructure to Terraform infrastructure. So why we need to import means yes, definitely. Can we consider Terraform advantages, whatever we discuss, reusable, automation, okay, security, man to control the manual errors, whatever we discuss in the first class, right? Those can apply, right? Why we need to import means there is some advantage. That's what we are going to take a Terraform control of your infrastructure. Yes. So we are agreed. So what I'm going to do now, guys. So let me create one instance manually now. Okay. Just I have created one instance manually. Okay. Okay. Let's go to day 2, day 3, day 4. So guys, understand one thing here. I'm in Terraform 9am repository here. Okay. If you push means everything will go. Many people switched to day 1. You are trying to push dot git ignore. How it is possible? Dot git ignore is there inside your repository. Outside of directory. So you have to switch to your repository means if you push means all directories will go along the git ignore. If I switch to, for example, cd day 1, I'm here now. I'm here, right? ls means is there any dot git ignore? If I'm trying to push means inside terraform.tf state is there, you will get an error. Large data contains. No, I'm pushing now. Yes, you are pushing, but you are in the directory, day 1 directory. In the day 1 directory, there is no dot git ignore. So if I switch back now, ls, if you can see, dot git ignore, I'm unable to see. Anyway, that is already pushed into your remote repository, right? It's a dot file. ls minus la, you are able to see dot git ignore. Is this clear? So that you need to understand first. That was me. Yes, I know, Shravan. So you clear, right? Finally. Anyway, your example, whatever you have raised the example, it is for everyone can easily understand. Anyway, appreciate Shravan. Okay. So now ls till day 4 is there, right? Now mkdir day 5 import. Okay. Import. Let's go to day 5. Day 5. Okay. Import. Ls nothing is there, right? So I'm going to create a one file main.tf. I will tell you why. Okay. So how Terraform import will work? First, we need to understand, guys. Terraform import means we are importing infrastructure details from remote to local, not local to remote. So who will help us if you're taking information remote details to local? Statefile. So definitely if you're talking about import, definitely statefile will come into the picture. Statefile will say that, hey, these are the details for remote repository. I mean, remote repository, these are the details I captured from AWS remote repository, what you have created manual function. Is this clear, everyone? So actually, there is some disadvantage here, what I observed here, a drawback. If I give import, I expect like all details will import into the main.tf. Let's come now here. This is creation of visit instance, right? If you put all the attribute details here, these attributes is going to create inside your AWS remote. Clear? Now both are in same page. If you give Terraform plan, 0 changes. Clear? If I add some new thing here, 1 change. Same, the 1 change will update into the remote also. Again, you can give apply 0 changes. So what I'm expecting from here, if I give import command here, for example, import command, take your manually created instance details and captured here. That's what I'm expecting. But it is not like that case. It is not like that. First, you need to create a skeleton here, resource skeleton. Then map it attributes there to here. Understand the concept? We need to create a first skeleton. Okay. I mean, in that skeleton, you need to import all attributes. How can I import? By help of statefile, you can go and verify, give all attributes instead of go and manually check. In that case, if I give import, definitely state file will be created in my local. That is the concept. Whenever you can give Terraform import command, statefile will be created in local. I mean, you have given import command. Just a minute. Hello. Hello. చెప్పండి. Okay. Class lo no. Okay. So in the day 5, nothing is there in my end. Only main.tf is there. Only main.tf is there. So in the main.tf also, 0, nothing is there. I'm expecting if I give Terraform import, for example, command, I'm expecting those manually created instance will come and give the attributes here, but it is not like that. We have to add manually everything. Is this clear? Okay. What is the command of Terraform import? Terraform. Let's, guys, if you can see here, wait, I will show you something to you also. Where is the nodes? Terraform nodes. So I'm going to share you this. This is also not correct. This is short notes only. Let's come to GitHub. Terraform full nodes. If you can see, guys, I have updated everything till day 13. Okay. After complete your course, this is your guide. Okay. This is your guide. See Terraform import. What is the Terraform import command? This is the import command. Like that, just remote state, whatever. Everything I have updated. S3 DynamoDB login, data source. What is the data source? How to call and everything. Okay. This is your reference. Is this clear, everyone? Okay. So like that we can take the Terraform import command from here. Okay, let me explain this command first. Anyway. Um, Guys, if you can see here, this command indicates mainly two instances details. Clear? What is this one? Instance ID means manually created instance ID. Manually created one, right? Okay. Then what about this one? What about this one? Hmm? This is Terraform main. Terraform main means here you are going to import. Clear? Here we are going to import. In this case, you should be ready with this instance skeleton, right? Clear right now? From the import command, we need to understand like that. So yes, import means we have to say that Terraform import command. Where is your source? Where is your target? Where is my target here? Terraform is a target. Import function reverse, right? Source is my instance, manually created instance. So that we need to give your source instance ID. ID is the unique one for instance, right? To take the all details, that's what. Your target instance is Terraform. So you need to create your target instance, first of all. I mean, target instance skeleton. So this is what? Local name. Clear? Local name, we can give. Local name also unique. We should not give same local name for all instances, right? If you give, what happen? Duplicates will come. Why? Instance type is same for all instances. Here change will become local name only. Clear till here? Online team? In. Okay. In our course, Deva. Okay. Dev. Whatever. Understand this command, right? Okay. Let's come now. So what I'm going to do now here, I need to create skeleton first. EC2 skeleton. Why? I'm importing EC2. Resource AWS hyphen instance. You can give dev here. Any name, local name. That's it. I'm not going to give anything now. Clear? If you give your AMI ID, if you give anything means what is the use? It is not import. It is copying, right? If you are giving like that, na, okay, guys, you tell me one thing. If you are not importing option, you are creating same details, same and something means it is going to create fresh EC2 instance. It is not interlinked with the same instance. Understand? After import means whatever changes you do, it will go to your manual created instance. Clear? Yeah. Why? Here statefile will update. So if you can see day 5 only main.tf is there. So what I can do now? What is the command? Terraform import your local name, instance name, AWS hyphen instance dot dev space your instance ID. That's it only. Sir, if it is a database, you have to work on that. Which one is the unique name in the database? Identifier, RDS identifier. S3 bucket, name of the S3 bucket is unique one, right? Like that, you have to call it. Anyway, let's go on check my ID of instance, manually created one. So if you know one process now, you can easily understand the process for others resource. This is the concept. Other resource, you don't know what here, what I need to call. That's it only. You can check in Google, it will tell, right? I'm going to import Terraform. I'm going to import RDS by using Terraform. It will say what you need to call from the remote. Here instance ID, right? In RDS, database identifier is the unique one. Name. There is a one of the attribute in the your Terraform in the RDS. S3 bucket name only. AWS Terraform import your S3 bucket resource type and dot local name and give your S3 bucket name. Clear? So it will not create one more bucket, right? Same bucket is going to update. Understand it. Why I'm talking about only one bucket? I'm talking about only one instance. Okay, now just paste this instance ID. What is the issue? Oh, first we need to try. So region is different, is it? Let's try. Cannot import non-existent remote object. Why? I have configure US East one. Okay. So here I can do two things. I can change my provider block. I can mention my provider block here, right? AWS, I can give here region equal to AP South 1. Again, I'm going to Terraform init. Okay. I don't think so. Wait. I'm importing into local, right? Okay. So anyway, if you can see, state file will updated. State file will be updated. What we discuss here? What we discuss here? Whenever you give import, one reference will come from the remote. Hey, these are the details. You can map it by local. Is this clear? Yeah. Otherwise, you can change your region into your existing configure. AWS configure, access key, secret key, change your region. But instead of that, you can mention here. That is a good practice. Don't disturb existing one. Anyway, now, okay, let me study my state file and I can map it here. Same. Okay. Until get zero changes, we need to update my local main.tf. Understand the process now? Why until zero changes? If there is any changes now, if you apply means it will override by existing one, right? So best practice, we have to give Terraform plan, not apply. Plan will show us, right? Yes, one change different like that, right? Yeah. So for example, guys, if I give plan, is there any attribute? So must be specified something, at least. This is empty one, right? Okay. Now tell me, guys, I'm going to specify definitely AMI will be there. Clear or not? So AMI, I don't know ID, right? Otherwise, I can go and check my manual instance. I can take it. Otherwise, is there an option to know my AMI ID? Instead of going inside my AWS console? Exactly. State file, capture all details, right? When it will be created? After import command. Let's come here. So you can search Control F AMI, right? Okay, this is my AMI. Guys, this AMI and manual instance AMI both are same or different? Same only, right? Stateful will capture your actual resource. Clear? Come here. Control V. Next. Come here. Instance type, if I give different, what happen? For example, guys. T2 micro, right? Instead of T2 micro, if I give T3 micro, what will happen? It will disturb my remote, right? It will update or refresh whatever action it is. We have to keep it same. If you maintain different one means if you apply priority, it will be take from here to go to your remote, it will update. Clear? Each and every point is very important to understand input here. Clear? Okay, T2 micro. Instance type is T2 dot micro. Now I'll just go on control S. I'll just go and give plan. Don't apply it until get zero changes. We are mapping the values here to here. If until get the zero changes means what is the indicates it is? You are good to go sync with your remote. If you want to change anything, it will update. That is our intention, right? One to change. Again, one to change. If you can see, one to change. What is that? Tag. It is showing tag need to change. If you can see. There, Terraform will perform the following action. See, following action means if you apply it, automatically it will up the following actions. So I can go and check my tag. Otherwise, you can verify in the state file also. Manually easy to write. Okay, how to give tag? You can see, you can copy paste directly from here also. Clear? From the state. Anyway, tags equal to name equal to manual space is it. Clear now? Now again give Terraform plan. Control S. Until get zero changes. Means we are in sync with remote. No changes, right? So if I apply, is there any problem? If I apply, is there any problem? No problem. Now we are in sync, right? No problem. We can apply it. State file will update. So in future, if you want to add anything by Terraform, you can do it. Is this clear? So for example, I'm going to change T3.micro. Okay, T3.micro. Don't apply it till get zero changes. One to chain. Clear or not? One to chain. So if you apply means it is showing here Terraform will be performed below actions T2 micro to T3 micro. It is not recommended. Application is there, right? May get disturbed. At this time, you can map your values what there in that remote, same values in the local of Terraform. In future, if you want to do it, instead of doing manually, you can do it from here. So now just map it into same values here. Okay, if you give Terraform plan, zero changes. How it will launch new server, guys? We are linked with existing ID. Clear or not? We are talking about one. See, understand the concept, guys. Each and every step. Okay, don't confuse yourself. Understand the concept. See, I'm taking import action. Definitely, you have defined one ID, right? If you define one ID means you are saying this is my instance ID. If you want to do anything, it will update or change or delete. Is there any new instance will come into the picture? No, right? So there is no impact, right? Clear or not? If you apply means stateful immediately will work. It will do the changes into remote. Means this details related to which instance? Existing instance. It may update, it may delete, it may refresh only existing one. Instead of doing import, you are creating fresh instance means like this way. New instance will create. There is no relation in your import, right? Control C, if you create a day 6, if you run this script, new instance will create, not existing one. Here I'm talking about existing one. Why? My import talking about existing infrastructure. That's what import, Terraform import concept. To create new one, why Terraform import concept? You can create new one, right? Yeah. Yes, very good, Sharma. Now, that's what instead of disturb, you need to apply plan until get zero changes. If zero changes, there is no zero changes means if you apply means disturbance will come. For example, now, if I apply, is there any problem? If I apply, is there any problem? My zero changes, no changes means no problem. Same instance refresh. Refresh means it is not update. See, now my instance is in Terraform control, right? Now my manager saying that T2 micro is not sufficient. Can you change it T3 micro? No need to do manual process, right? So come here, T3, Control S, Terraform apply. That's it. No need to give plan. One to change. So now T2 micro is to T3 micro. Is this clear, everyone? The concept? Exactly, Shravan Kumar. So manually, how system will work, same Terraform also will work. Manually modify means Terraform also modify. See, whatever you're doing the job, Terraform will trigger that job. The result same for all, right? Any doubts meanwhile? Okay, see, one chain, zero resource. I mean, I'm talking about only single resource, right? So one change, go to your manual instance. T3 micro updated. So now your entire EC2 is control of Terraform. This is Terraform import. Okay. What is the use of Terraform import? Can we, I'm not getting here, Nagarjuna. Can we consider backup for exist EC2? Backup is nothing but one more EC2 is created in the backup. I'm talking about single EC2. It is not backup. We can control resources locally. Okay. I mean, okay, advantages, right? You are saying. Any others? So to taking backup of my manually created instance into Terraform control. Okay. What are the advantages here? We can control resource locally. That is correct. Next. Next, guys. What are the advantages? Importing the manual is it? Yes, that's what we are doing. What is the advantage? You guys are saying 10 plus points, right? Automating, security, controlling infra, those will come. Okay. What is import? If anyone asks, import is nothing but whatever manual infrastructure is there. We can call the manual infrastructure. We can import into our required into the Terraform control. But a very, very important point is here. Whenever you can do import command, stateful will update with the remote information into your local. Stateful, you are saying that, hey, whatever you have created, these are the details of the remote repository. Take a reference stateful and do it the changes. Clear? Clear, guys? Okay. And again, this is the day import concept, guys. And coming to this day 3 custom network. So if you can main.tf, we have created only network, right? We have created only network. So I need to discuss security group also, right? If you are not passing security group, your instance will create by default security group. No, I have to define my security group, right? I have to define my security group. Okay. Why can't we just take the AMI and modify the update? If you take AMI, Mumbai instance to instance, is there different AMIs? Same AMI, right? If you take and do the AMI means it will create fresh instance with the new AMI. Clear, right? How can you say this is existing AMI? AMI are same, right? If instance to instance different AMI, whatever. If you create a one instance means it will take one AMI and create one more instance. Your resource don't know, right? You are talking about existing one, right? For example, that's what Shravan, I have already explained here, right? If you take this, I have already explained, right? If you take this script and copy on day 5 or day 6, if you run it means you directly don't know, right? You are talking about existing one. It will create new EC2 instance, right? So why can't we compare with this one? Is there any import action is there in that? If you run means one instance is created. This is not modify your existing one. I mean, in this case, this instance already created means it will update those existing one only with the help of a state file. Okay, if you copy now and run in day 6 and any Terraform apply means it will not take existing one. It will create new one. They don't know, right? Stateful is not there at the time. Here stateful knows this is existing one. Stateful will link with your AMI instance ID here. If you copy paste and run in different day 7 or day 8, there is no stateful. Stateful will create after apply, right? I mean stateful, there is no stateful means Terraform by default create a new instance again. Update stateful your local. Now you can do any changes. Stateful will not allow to create fresh instance. It will update existing instance. Is this clear? That's what whenever you create a Terraform import, stateful will be created in the local to map local to remote. To say that, hey, Terraform, this is manually created instance, you can map it into your local. I will track everything local to remote. Clear? Yeah. Anyway, good question. You have to ask this type of questions, guys. Others may clear your doubts, right? Why can't you guys are asked doubt questions? Hmm. What? Which image? Your own AMI image. That own AMI image also in ID will come, right? That you have to pass AMI ID here, not fresh AMI ID, your AMI ID. That's what we explained, Nagarjuna. Yes, you are correct. Anyway, okay. Anyway, guys, next go to, but I'm going to task to you. Okay, Saturday, Sunday free, right? You guys are free, right? Definitely, I'm going to give 5 tasks. 5 is enough. Okay, 3 tasks. Okay, guys, 2 tasks per day, only 1 task. Okay, yeah. Be ready, huh? If you need Terraform certification, you just follow what I'm saying. Otherwise, sir, I'm not going in that level, sir. If someone may ask, I know Terraform. That's it, sir. In that case, you stop from here. Don't go it further. You can stop from here. That's it. If you say, yes, I have a basic knowledge in Terraform to say that, you can stop here. Don't go for remaining 1 week. The remaining 1 week, you can say, I'm very good in Terraform. But again, don't say professional in Terraform. That is again different, right? Yeah. Anyway. Okay, guys. In day 3, come here. In day 3, so is there a security group? So if you observe or not, if I create this script, I mean instance, did you observe any public IP? Huh? Did you observe any public IP after creating this custom network 3? Anyone? Not as associated public IP. Why? Why Terraform is unable to associate public IP, guys? Any questions? Any answers? Why Terraform is unable to allocate IP? We created in default VPC now. We are creating custom VPC, custom subnet, custom route table, but not custom security group. Leave it for security group. I'm asking IP. Why Terraform is unable to allocate IP to my instance? This is my question. Why? Okay, Raj is the good one. So guys, if you can come manually process, again come to manual process. So if you're creating a launch instance, come here the step. I'm not create anyway. Just I'll show you here. If I select guys, if I'm not select any network, my auto SN public IP is enable in the default network. It will give you edit. If I give custom network, let me take custom VPC. By default, disable. In manual process also, by default, disable. We have to enable it. Clear what I'm trying to say? That's what Terraform don't know, right? It's a nature. Custom creation network nature. Terraform cannot understand, go on enable this IP until you say. Whatever manual process, same process follow Terraform. This is the one of the proof. Clear? Yeah. So we need to define additionally, but default network not required. Default network automatically enable public IP. That is, AWS is saying that nature. If you are going with default network, you are allocating public IP. If you are going with custom network, you have to define why. Custom network means we are not going to give access to public. That is the intention of AWS. If required, you can enable, otherwise disable it. If they give by default means it is enable public for everyone, right? We should not enable this option for custom network as a default action. Clear? What is the default action for custom network? We should not give access to anyone. That is a default action, right? So default action means we should not enable public IP. We have to define additionally. Clear? Same Terraform also will follow. Don't confuse here. In Terraform script, how to enable public IP. Okay, let me go to here. What is it? Auto SN public IP, right? Let me try. Is there any auto? Enable or true? Why it is not? Maybe. Okay. Is there any error? No. Okay. I will auto associate public IP address. I think this is right. Anyway, I'm taking from the console, right? This keyword is right. If it is wrong, we can change it. Okay, my instance is good, but I need to give one more thing. Hey, instance 90% done, but control security group I had to give, right? Otherwise, it will create default one or not. Same nature, manual process also. If you're not giving any security group, it will create default one. Clear? So I need to define here my security group. For that, you have to create security group. Is this clear? Very good. Okay, let's come to main.tf. Yeah. Security group. Okay, start. Security group create means which block it is? Resource block. Clear or not? Resource block, AWS hyphen security group. Clear? Give dev. So I can copy paste from there directly Terraform registry. Otherwise I need to type 15 kind of lines here. So let's go to security group resource from the okay. So we need to define like this way. Okay. Okay. So we need to understand from here, first of all. Yeah. Otherwise, I'll take from my repository. It is good. Main.tf. Let me take from here. I will explain here. Control C, come here. This is the resource block to create a security group. Okay. Okay. See, guys, why VPC? Security group creation time. Let's go. I will show you create security group. Create security group. Very good. What I need to do first step is use your security group name dev. Okay. Or test. Next step is what? VPC selection. Next step is what? Add inbound rules. Okay. You can give custom or SSH, whatever. SSH 22 here anywhere IPv4 00 1 2 3 4. What about outbound? What is outbound? Everything is hello. No need to change, right? Let's come to here. Till here clear? I need to allocate tag my security group to my VPC ID, like manual process. Ingress means what? Inbound. Very good. Ingress means inbound. Don't expect here inbound rule. Terraform language, it is ingress. Don't confuse. Description means you can give anything, no problem. Optional one. Now, from port, if you are giving 80 means HTTP, right? No need to mention here protocol. It will take by default. So if you're enabling 80 means we have to define here from port to 2 port. If you're enable 22, from port to 22 port. Here CIDR block is what? Allow for all. Here protocol means TCP. Let's come here. I'm not saying anything. Protocol is TCP 2200 CIDR. Source means CIDR. Same thing I have done here. Clear? Now 80 fine. If you want to write 22, again you need to write one more ingress for 22. For example, if I want to write 443 port number, how to write? Ingress 443. Is this clear? So what you need to understand, sir, is this good way to write multiple ingresses? Not good. We need to orchestrate. One ingress rule support to multiple rules. That we can come under advanced things, Terraform advanced things, right? So first we need to understand Terraform basic level, then we can move to little advanced level in coming days. Now I'm going to rectify these 3 blocks into 1 block by using advanced topic. Okay, or you can use a for loop or something. Very easy. I will take care, don't worry. Do I need to change egress also? If 3 rules means 3 egress rules will come or 1. Let's come manual process again. Whenever you can enable any inbound rules, always the outbound rule always 1. Clear? Security group nature. So in our outbound rules, if you can see here, all traffic, all port range, all protocols, 00, right? All 00. Come to here. All protocols means you have to give -1. Again, Terraform language. All protocols -1. 0, 0 means there is no specifically not open the port 0, 0. And this is 0, 0. Clear? Clear everyone? Let's take copy this one. Add it into your security group. Done. Now 3 ingress rules. I'm going to create security group. Now guys, if I create this infrastructure now, if I run this, if I run this, my instance will allocate the security group. What you are doing here? You are creating just security group. You are not allocating to instance. Understand? And then how to define? Come to here. Security group. How to call here? You are calling what? Security group. That's it only. Security group resource type dot resource give. But here we need to understand. Security group should be in the string. Why multiple ingress rules are there, right? That's what their suggestions. See here. Clear? Now take here only there. No need to go anywhere. I think so. I think this one, see. Otherwise, go and check here. Resource type. Let me change it into dev. Is this clear? Guys, this is not security group name. Understand? Calling the security group name from user to instance. Now, how to call security group? Hey, instance, you can allocate that security group. Then inform me how to allocate. See, it should be string. Multiple rules are there, should be string. It will apply for all rules. If you give only security group means here we can give only security group and dot ID means it will accept only single rule. But multiple means it should be in the same list. It will apply for all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clear? See, if you can see here, this time dev is coming. Okay. Can I create now? Control S. So I'm in which repository? Day 5. You guys are applying from here, sir. 0 changes, sir. You are doing modification in day 3. You are applying in day 4. Is it good, guys? So please come to there. Otherwise, give LS. So this is a different one. I created is a different one. So come to one step back. LS CD day 3. Clear, guys? If I go instead of apply, I can check plan. What changes I did, it will apply or not, I can check, right? There is a one more command Terraform validate. If there is syntax issues, it will say that. Even plan also will say not required to use Terraform validate. Okay. Okay. Maybe this is a wrong one. Security group is wrong. Security group is wrong one, na? Okay. Name is the different. Let's go and check how to call security group. Let's go to my repository. I'm not calling here. Okay. Let's go to Terraform registry now. EC2. EC2 resource. This is data block. Availability zone. What is the name of secret group in this? Availability zone only. Subnet ID. I think some suggestions. Okay. Allocate SG to EC2 using Terraform. Correct only, right? Security group ID, right? Okay, this is different name, guys. Okay, different name. Wrongly called. Security group ID. Why it is not suggest us? Then in that case, it has to suggest us, right? Otherwise, I will do one thing. This one is my security group, right? I will just give ID here. We'll see it will take or not. Okay. See, plan also saying that, right? No need to apply directly. Done. Okay. Yes, I missed ID here, right? While you are calling time, you have to give dot ID, right? Clear or not? See, for example, if I'm calling here, excuse me, if I'm calling my route table to place in my VPC mains, I have to give extension should be dot ID, right? I forget that. Anyway, Terraform plan is saying 7 to add, right? Let's go and verify here. Security group. See, 8 is updating. 443 is updating. 22 is updating. Let's go and apply it first. Okay. It's creating a security group and allocating to instance. First VPC dev is creating. I have already terminated. That's the reason. Guys, one more process. We can use the data block. Data block use is we are calling information from the remote. For example, at this time you are creating instance, right? Now, after 1 week, you got requirement create to one more instance in the same VPC. Here we are creating along with the instance VPC also, right? But in that case, only create EC2 instance, but you have to call existing VPC, existing subnet, existing route table, how to use. In that case, we need to call data block. Data call resource from the remote. It will print the resource. We can use that. Dot data dot AWS, something like that only. Very easy. See if you can see here. My instance created in which region, guys? Anyone? Mumbai or use which one? Mumbai is for specific day 5 only. If you configure in AWS configure, it will apply for all directories. Be careful, huh? Dev is it is created, right? Initializing mode now. See 443.28. Clear? Instance public IP allocated. Okay. Okay, guys, is this? Okay, we don't have much time to discuss ID. It will take 15 minutes or 20 minutes. Let's stop here. Any questions? Meanwhile, we have a time for 2 minutes. Oh my God, big long weekend, huh? Enjoy. Saturday, Sunday. We can connect, guys. What is the difference manual and Terraform? Created instance, having public IP, port enable, it will connect. There is no relation for a Terraform here. Terraform task done. Yes, I have created. Now you can connect. That's it only. See connected. Okay. Any questions from online? So finally, what is your opinion on Terraform so far? Is it so difficult or easy or moderate? If I do practice, it is easy. Which one is the correct? Moderate. If you do practice, easy. Last statement. So no one is saying here difficult, right? If you say difficult, I can't do anything now. I'm spending a lot of time on Terraform to explain here how HashiCorp is making money. No, guys, this is the process, Sharma. Guys, the Reliance Jio is there, right? They have given everyone to free SIM for 6 months. Everyone taken. Use the 6 months. Given your number to everyone. Finally, lastly, they have given some tariffs. 1 month. Even the first network is introduced here. Incoming recharge also. Only Jio. If there is no recharge for incoming also, no, you will not get any calls. Clear or not? From the Jio, Airtel, everyone is updated. But subscribers already came for Jio. Why? Free of effect of free for 6 months. So there is no option, right? We can't change our number, right? Definitely we have to do the recharge. Definitely we have to do top ups. Same here also now free, right? All the discussions are going on. The Terraform is going to paid version shortly. Now the here trick is already 90% organizations migrated Terraform. Now, if they give this news, what's the process? Now, I think, Shravan, you got it right. Yes. First, we need to give something to free of cost, like politics, right? Free for everyone. They're giving, but we need to pay tax again. We're paying taxers, are paying 9 lakhs tax. We don't know. See, as Indians, we are paying a lot of tax. One person is paying tax 10 or 9 lakhs means monthly 80,000 we are paying Indian government. I don't know why still India is the poor country. I don't know. See, most population, 130 plus crores. One person paying tax 10 lakhs means IT employees are paying all are 10, 6, 7, 8 means only Hyderabad, 10 lakhs IT people are there. One person is paying yearly 8 lakhs, 9 lakhs means you can assume that the amount. Where it is going? Why? We are attracted free of schemes first. Again, they are taking from us. We don't know that. Right? See, this guy paid 2 lakhs. It's a business trick. First free, then again take from you. So don't attract for free things first of all. Okay? Yeah. Anyway, guys, happy weekend to everyone. What about task? You will get it, don't worry. First complete import task. Okay. First task is do import for S3 also. That is the first task. And whatever the NAT gateway is pending, on top of your day 3 custom network, add NIT gateway and connect public to private. Bash no host. For bash no host, Terraform is not doing anything. Terraform create public, private, all instance configuration. You can connect from your manual process. Same like how I connected. Okay. These 2 tasks will complete it. If any task will come, I will give you. Third one. Saturday task, these 2. Complete it. Okay, guys. Happy weekend to all.